If you have had a tailbone injury either recently or in the past, there's one area of the body that we always want to be addressing in order to assist with healing in this space, the pubic bone. It's really important because your pelvis is basically two components acting like a swivel. So when we have a jar from a fall or an injury, the holding point in the front is part of the situation. I'm going to just share with you how to simply do this, whether you have a block or rolled up towel. All you want to do is get in very slowly because this can be a very tender and painful area. You can also do it on a bed if a floor is too hard, but you're literally lying right on the pubic bone. And then the first thing that you want to just notice, do you feel like one side is pushing into the prop with more pressure than the other? The goal is that these two bones that create this pubic symphysis are flush. They're the same height and level. So you can even do a little bit of a toggle just to get a sense of how things feel. But we really want to focus on that full exhale as you're doing it. So as you're on your abdomen here, feel your belly lifting up into the core with that full exhale, and then release the belly with the inhale. If you can stay for a minimum of 3 minutes, then you're going to create a nice melting and a shifting of what that holding pattern is in the front of the body. This can be done as frequently as it feels okay for you to do, as long as your breath allows. And remember, you can also do this on a bed and it won't be as intense. Now, when coming out of the position, you always want to be cautious of moving too quickly. So very slowly place your hands under your shoulders and exhale up and out of that position. And then just get a sense of how you feel when you walk around. Another thing that happens when we have a tailbone injury is we tend to favor one side, and this creates a lot of instability in the pelvis. Here's a great exercise to strengthen alignment, and this may really help to ease some of that pain and tension. So I'm just going to stand about a little wider than the outer of my hips apart. I'm going to place my hands on a chair. I'm going to have my knees slightly bent. I'm going to grip the toes. And then most importantly, I'm going to overarch my back. So I'm really sticking my butt out behind me. And then from here, for 5 full slow breaths, I'm going to draw my feet away. And I'm going to really focus on that full exhale. And then after I've completed those 5 breaths, I'm going to draw my feet toward each other. So you can see my feet aren't moving. They're just getting drawn in that direction. And then one more time, again, reestablish that nice big arch in that low back. I'm going to take my feet out one more time. After you do this, start walking around and just feel how much more stable you feel inside your pelvis. If you found this helpful, please like the video and comment below what you would like to see next.